the buggies can do it,
So the Wraith can do it.
we can do it. I'm gonna go stay here for one night. Figured might as well spring for a campsite.
It's not even that late.
Yeah, I know.
It's
5:30?
4:30.
4:30. Oh gosh.
4:31 to be exact.
Oh,
But
my.
we're like 2 hours and 45 minutes away from our destination tomorrow, so we're just gonna kick back, relax.
Make some dinner.
Yeah.
What do you say, guy?
Surprisingly, the Wytheville, Virginia KOA is actually busy. They've had a pretty steady stream of campers coming in. It's a lot warmer here. It's 22 degrees versus it was 12 last night in Ohio. The low tonight is 22. I'll take it.
It was almost a full house here in these pull-throughs right here. Almost everyone's gone already except for these two over here. Not a bad overnight. We kind of took our time. We had time.
It was nice.
Yeah, the weather, I mean, it might look cold. I don't know the actual temperature, but it's sunny and there's no wind. It's actually nice.
It's like low 20s right now.
Yeah.
Maybe low to mid 20s.
Oh, Piper is desperately trying to get on my lap. Come on. Oh, she's happy. I asked Mike to wash the windshield. This is a steep climb we got going on. How fast are we going?
About 45 miles per hour.
Oh,
So, if anybody's wondering how the Wraith does with all its mighty 300 horses in the mountains, it'll do it. It'll get you there. It's slow. But we do weigh over 26,000 pounds combined with the Jeep. So it's a lot of weight.
yeah. We have passed a couple of semis though, so we're not the slowest vehicles on the road. What goes up must come down. Now we're going down at a 6% grade for the next 3.5 miles.
Oh man. I thought we had an electrical problem for a second. I didn't know what was going on because we're plugged in. We got no power. And then it dawned on me, hey, stupid. Look at the Progressive Industries monitor. So it had an error 6 showing. I didn't know what it was because I don't know the error codes offhand. But I looked it up and it said low voltage on line 2.
Right.
So sure enough, it's showing line 1, 129 volts, 0 amps. Line 2, 3 volts, 0 amps.
Wow.
So that is definitely a problem. I can adapt down to 30 amps, plug it in, and see if it works. I'm going to check the voltage out there at the pedestal with my multimeter.
Right.
I'll let them know in the office.
51 degrees outside and you'd think we're having a heat wave. Got our door open and everything. Well, Mike adapted down to 30 amps and everything came back on. But we got the maintenance guy out here now. He's going to see what's wrong with the 50 amp line too. Ooh. That's a terrible view.
It's a bit salty.
But it looks much better behind our bed. Get a nice view of the lake behind us. Oh boy, what do we got going on here? Looks like I'm gonna be making some cookies. I'm going to cream my butter, sugar, and sugar, both granulated and brown sugars. You're gonna mix those really well, and then you'll add the eggs one at a time, mixing well between each egg. Went ahead and I added all of my other ingredients, including the 2 eggs, the vanilla, the baking soda, the salt, and the cinnamon. Now I will be adding the oats and the flour. Just gonna let it mix really well, and it will become very thick and kind of ball up. Just make sure it's all mixed well. One of the utensils that I love to use for cookies is just this small scoop. It's almost like a tiny ice cream scooper. I'm gonna put them on my tiny little cookie plate. Stick them in my convection, which is preheated at 350. In a regular conventional oven, it would be 375. But I'm gonna actually try these at 350. I'm gonna go down a little bit and try to keep it at the same time. So we're gonna see how it turns out, and we may adjust as we go along. I put them in there for 9 minutes. It's an 8 to 10 minute timer on a regular oven. So I'm gonna test it at 9 and see how it goes. One thing is for sure, Piper is ready for cookies. All right, let's see how these turned out. Smell like they've been in there a little too long, but that's all a learning curve. Some of them aren't too bad, but I think I'll put the next ones in for a little bit shorter time. I think I figured out the winning combination. So I've been setting it at 325 degrees and going for about 7 to 8 minutes, and it's been coming out pretty good. These just came out super hot. These were the batch right before it. Piper is all about it. What do you think?
Really good. Really perfect cookie.
Thank you. Looks like the dogs are wanting some perfect cookie. We're gonna go find a car wash, I think.
This is unacceptable.
Yeah, we can't really see out the side windows, and to be honest, I'm a little afraid to open it. It might make it worse.
Yeah, it's just gonna smear it.
Ooh, look at that one. That one's pretty.
Look at that Super C.
A little dirty, but it sure is nice. We had to roll it down to see both ways, and it got very smeary.
Much better. All done. All clean. You're so happy to see me, guy. But the blanket that we had across the front is Piper's cage. Piper, how did you do that?
Whew. Mostly up there. Very crowded up here, but it's beautiful. Don't mind the screaming child. Ooh. Worth it. on the road to get some dinner because after that hike that I did, not so much Mike, I earned it. So I'm looking forward to it. We got Chuck and Allie are behind us. I don't know if you can see them through these windows.
We tried a locals place.
Yeah.
And they're closed.
Yeah.
So we're going to a more known place.
Yep, Buffalo Wild Wings. Maybe you've heard of it. Hey, you're supposed to say we're home. Oh, babies. Oh, good. Were you a good girl? Looks like you're a good girl. Well, we're getting ready to head on out. We are at the Rutledge Lake RV Park in Fletcher, North Carolina. We're here with Allie Chuck Adventures. We hung out with them for a couple of days. Yeah. Went hiking yesterday and had a good time around the broken campfire. So.
Yeah. That was a broken campfire.
Oh
yeah. Well, yeah, we had a great time, and we wanted to thank you guys for
another free breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, bacon! You never go wrong with bacon.
And for letting us know where you were when we asked.
Oh yeah. No, we were actually kind of saying, yeah, we're in South Carolina.
I was actually really excited when you texted in. And how long have we been following their channel for? You said about 4 years. It's been.
It's since we've had this RV, and we got this in 2017, so better
Yeah,
part
so-
of more than 3 years at least.
Yeah. Make sure you show Nikki.
Yeah, she's in the shot.
Nikki, come here. I'll be up here. Get here. Come here, Nick.
She's like, man, I've been climbing all
Nikki
those
and
stairs.
Guy got to be good friends.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, right.
We were saying last night, we've seen Guy in your videos for a long time. I didn't realize what a sweet dog he really is until you meet him in person.
Well, he seems to be very quiet.
He's a little crybaby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
But I
person,
like
he's a
him, though.
lot.
I like-
His personality came out
Yeah.
in person.
And I like the fact that he just wants to be touched all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you like that
that's
now.
that's cute.
It's like a grandkid, you know. I don't have to deal with it.
Yeah, all the time.
I'd be like, you're sweet, now go home.
Yeah, that's Guy for you.
Oh,
Needs all the attention all the time.
he's a sweet boy.
But I have to say, so I'm on keto. I eat keto, but I have to say, yesterday breaking my keto for your cookies.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
A wonderful choice because those cookies were amazing.
Well, thank you.
I don't know what it is, but I didn't get acid reflux. I was expecting to hurt last night.
Yeah.
You know, she substitutes the sugar with cocaine.
That's what it is.
There you go.
That's why I was like this in bed with the remote watching TV.
Like, man, those cookies were good.
Oh wait, and I grew up on cookies, so I can tell you those were the best oatmeal cookies I've ever had.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I like to
Quite
hear.
honestly, because I'm not even that much of an oatmeal cookie lover, so we're looking forward to seeing her this video where she made the
The recipe.
video
Yeah.
for the rest.
Yeah.
Show the recipe and everything.
So we've really enjoyed our time with you guys.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So have we.
You know? Wish we had a couple more days.
And we can all agree we're glad that Shrag is not here.
Exactly.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
All right. Well, we're gonna head on out of here and get down the road because we got a long drive ahead of us. So.
Yep,
Yes.
6 hours.
Yep.
Fun
So.
times.
Guess we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
See ya. We are leaving. It is a beautiful day. Yeah, it was a great time. It's a beautiful day outside today.
Yeah.
Oh, Piper. Right on schedule.
Can't complain about the weather in North Carolina.
No, I'm walking around in a sweatshirt just enjoying everything.